Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Database programming with SQL. We will study the following topics in this week. Introduction to RDBMS SQL DDL. Introduction relation database technology. Anatomy of SQL statement data definition language. Creating tables using data types, modifying our table, alter table. Database programming with SQL relational database technology. What is database in general? Database is a collection of organized physical objects, for example, like data. What is database in information technology industry? It is a physical storage structure, for example, file, table, who holds the collection of organized data. Access to this data which is present in physical storage structure, for example, file, table, is provided by a software which is called DBMS, database management system. Types of storage structure in database world. There are two main types of storage structure used in the database world: relational database, multidimensional models. Relational database. A relational database is a type of database that stores the data in multiple tables using rows and columns, and moreover these tables are related to one another. Hence this type of storage model is called as relational database or relational data model. For example, ORACLE, SQL Server, MS Access. SQL Structured Query Language. SQL is the information processing industry standard language of relational database management system, RBDMS. The language was originally designed by IBM in the mid 1970s came into widespread use in the early 1980s and became an industry standard in 1986 when it was adopted by ANSI. Communicating with database. As shown in diagram, communicating with an RDBMS is accomplished by entering a SQL statement in SQL.
वो कोई मसला नहीं है.
Communicating with database, the request is then sent to Oracle server, a database running on a computer. The request is proceed and the data returned is displayed. Database schema objects. An Oracle database can contain many different types of objects. This section introduced the most commonly used object and also describe how the Oracle server uses the information stored in data dictionary when it is performing with work as a result of the SQL statement issues. Database schema object. The main object types are table, index, constraint, view, sequence, synonym. Some of these object types can exist independently and other cannot. Database programming with SQL. Anatomy of SQL statement. Select keyword. Select is one of the most important, if not the most important keyword in SQL. You use select to retrieve information from the database. When you learn how to use select, you have opened the door to the database. Imagine a database containing information about movies such as title, genre, studio, producer, release date, series, country, language, rating, running time, and so on. What if you only wanted the titles of movie created in India? The select statement allows you to search for